Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making watermelon drink. Ingredients for the watermelon drink include our syrup, which we use in flavoring our drinks, which we have a recipe on the channel you can check out, some water, already peeled and washed ginger, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, the watermelon itself, some drinking water as well, our blender, and then our sieve, a knife, and a bowl. We'll also be using this plain bottle right here and then this cover. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to cut into our already washed and cleaned watermelon like this. And then use our hands to divide it into two as we get to the ending part. So this is how it looks like on the inside. Then we'll use a knife to slice it into halves or different pieces like this. These are our slices of the watermelon. I'm going to pick them one by one and then place them into the bowl beside me. When that is done, I'm going to pick up one of the slices and then start cutting into it. So I'll cut them vertically like this and then cut it out of the outer layer of the watermelon, ensuring that the whitish part isn't added. Or you can also run the knife underneath the watermelon itself and then cut it into pieces like I'm doing right now. So this is how it looks like after everything has been peeled out. Since we are making a drink out of this, blending everything together including the seeds is not any way harmful but very health beneficial. Now we are going to use a plate as an aid to pick it from the chopping board and then place them into the bowl for blending. We'll pick everything from the chopping board, including the fruity parts of the watermelon and the seeds. Now it's time for us to do the blending, so I'm going to put on some food gloves and then pick the watermelon pieces bit by bit into our blender. Add in our drinking water, 2 pieces of the peeled and washed ginger, some of our syrup, place on the cover and then blend everything together until a smooth paste is formed. And this is how it looks like after it's blended. So we are going to pour it into our bowl and then place the blender cap back onto the blender, then blend the second parts of the fruits. After that is blended, we are going to add it into the first one we poured earlier. At this point, we are going to do the sifting of the watermelon drink. So with the aid of our sieve and then another spare bowl, I'm going to pour the already blended one into the sieve as it also pours into the bowl underneath. I'll do this until everything has been sifted, and then we are able to take out some of the plum and the seeds and everything that is not needed in the drink. After obtaining this very appealing looking drink, we are going to add in our flavoring agent and then stir everything together. I also made another version where I added in more ginger as compared to the first one, and that also tasted great. So if you're a fan of ginger, you can try that out as well. With the same process, you are going to love it, I promise you. But if you love to keep everything on the minimum side, I encourage you to do the first one instead. After everything is done relating to the watermelon drink, I'm going to pour it into our jug and then bottle the rest. I also serve some in a disposable cup, and this is how it looks like. As delicious and as healthy as ever. Try this watermelon drink recipe and you're going to love it. Don't forget to give me feedback in the comment section. That's very helpful for my videos. So please do when you are able to try it out. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.